Alright, so we wanna, oh my goodness, Jesus. Why do they do that? Why? It's crazy. Oh my God. Why would they do this? It's crazy. Don't over torque this. Okay guys, please, I'm gonna ask you to follow me and subscribe if you like the content. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos repairing stuff. Wow, this is some crazy stuff. So we're gonna have to find, gonna have to try something different. Jesus. It's crazy. Okay, anyways. See what I had to do? That is crazy. I don't know who's doing this, but don't. It's just, I don't know how many pounds exactly, but all you gotta do is start it with your hand. You don't have to go crazy with it. Anyways, I want to test the compression on this one because I feel like it's spinning freely. So I don't like that. I want to see if it's even worth fixing this. I don't even know this. Anyways, let's pull it. See. What? No way. It might be completely dead. I don't think this has compression at all. No way. It's like not even 60. What the freak? Yeah, when I got this one, I figured it was gonna be like that because it was spinning too free. Let's see what's going on in here. How about that? Is this dead? So. Sheesh. What the hell is going on in here? think it has an exhaust. No, I mean it has a leak. I'm gonna assume the head gasket is completely bad. If it has a head gasket, I have no idea. Let's see. Looks pretty bad. Very, very bad. Okay. It sounds like it has some sort of losing compression somewhere. Look. Can you hear that? We're gonna see if we can get it running. I don't think it's gonna sound good. Jesus, come on. Be a good girl. Pretty please, let's go. It took like 300 pulls, but it turned on. Please subscribe if you like these videos. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't sound that bad. I'll remove the blade though. Look, it doesn't feel that bad. Why does it take so long to turn on? It has to be the compression, right? Someone say something. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's put the play on.